Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 keeps showing an offline message or refuses to join your home network, you are definitely not the only one dealing with this issue. Without a stable connection, the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 may stop syncing events, reminders, and shared schedules, making it harder to keep everything organized. Connection problems can happen because of weak signals, router interruptions, incorrect passwords, or temporary software glitches. Fortunately, most Wi Fi issues can be resolved with a few easy checks before considering a factory reset. In this video, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that may help restore internet access on your Cozyla Calendar Plus 2. Try these. Step 1. Place the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 closer to your router and make sure the wireless signal is strong enough. Step 2. Double check that the Wi Fi credentials entered on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 are correct. Step 3. Restart your home router and give the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 a moment to search for the network again. Step 4. Unplug the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 from power for several minutes to refresh the system. Step 5. Open the network settings on the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 and reconnect it to the desired Wi Fi network. Step 6. Confirm that the Cozyla Calendar Plus 2 is back online.